Hello guys, welcome to the Money City where our sun is always shining and our money is always growing. I am the Money Queen. I know all about money, how it's made, where it's stored, how to make some more, and even how to lose some, but I never lose mine. Today is shopping day and I love shopping day because I get to buy lots of exciting new stuff. So let me just finish packing up everything that I need and let me go through my checklist so I don't forget anything at home. Number 1, my shopping bag. Check. Number 2, my wallet. Check. Number 3, some cash. Check. Number 4 and 5, a debit card and a credit card. If you noticed, I had 2 cards, a debit card and a credit card. What's the difference between both of them and why do you think I need 2? Well, I'll tell you. First of all, debit and credit cards are types of automated teller machine cards that use secret security numbers to work. They can be used with ATM machines and POS machines. You can use ATM cards to buy things in stores and withdraw from machines. So, let's get into the real matter. What are debit and credit cards and how do they differ from each other? Let's start with the credit card. Credit cards are plastic cards given to customers, that is, me and you, by banks. Credit cards allow you to spend money that is not yours and it usually has a limit on it per month. That means that if you go to a store to get something and you don't have money but you have a credit card, you can pay with your credit card and then pay the money back at the end of the month. Debit cards, on the other hand, are cards that are directly linked to your bank account. And so, when you use them, the money is taken directly from your own money in your own account. There are several benefits of both the credit and debit cards. Let me highlight some for you to see. First of all, the credit card allows you to make purchases and payments even if you don't have the money right now. While debit cards can only be used to pay for things when you have money in your own account. Credit cards sometimes give cashback rewards to their clients. That means that they would give you back a percentage of your money. While debit cards don't ever do that. Instead, the bank will charge you to maintain your card. Now, let's look at a few benefits of the debit card. Debit cards helps you to stay out of debt because you can spend only what you have, while credit card allows you to spend money you don't have, making you a debtor. Debit cards are more popular here in Nigeria. What kinds of cards are popular in your country? Okay, so I think it's time for me to go to the mall, but why don't you come along with me? Remember, in this city, if we want to go anywhere, we say the magic words. Do you remember? I am smart, I am intelligent, and I know how to make some money. Welcome to the Money City Mall. Here you can buy anything you want, from food to clothes to shoes and phones. Next time you come, I'll try to give you a tour of the mall. But that's all the time we have for today. It was a pleasure having you here today. Till our next time together, let's money away. Bye.